In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove watermarks using Canva's Magic Eraser. This walkthrough is intended for demonstration purposes, ensuring that you can navigate through Canva efficiently. To begin, you'll need to head over to Canva's homepage and log into your account. If you're not a Canva Pro user, no worries. Canva offers a 30-day free trial, which you can take advantage of to try out this feature. Once you're logged in, look towards the dashboard on your homepage. There, you'll want to find and click on the Upload icon. This will allow you to import the image from which you'd like to remove a watermark. After clicking, choose Upload Files, and select the image you want to edit. After your image uploads, you'll see an option to edit it. Look for the Edit Image button, which you'll find right beneath the Use in a New Design prompt. Clicking this will take you into Canva's editing suite, where the real magic happens. On the left side of the editing toolbar, you'll see a section labeled Magic Studio. Here you'll find the tool we're focusing on today, the Magic Eraser. Selecting this will give you a brush that allows you to highlight the watermark on your image. Before you start, make sure to adjust the brush size as needed for more precision. Slowly and carefully brush over the areas with the watermark. It's important to take your time during this step to ensure thorough coverage. While Magic Eraser is incredibly handy, it might not completely erase everything in one go. You might need to repeat the brushing process until you're satisfied with the outcome. After each pass, wait patiently to see the changes as the magic happens. Once you're happy with the edits, it's time to save your work. Navigate to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find options to download your edited image by clicking the download icon. You can also save the design within your Canva account for future use by selecting the Save button. If you wish to use the modified image in a new design, simply click the +Create Design button. This will allow you to seamlessly incorporate your edited image into any of your projects. And there you have it. With these steps, you can easily remove watermarks from your images using Canva's Magic Eraser. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with this tool, you have everything you need to make your images look as polished as possible. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more Canva tutorials on our channel.